It's a 2018 Subaru Forester. Take off on an adventure or take it easy. Do what you enjoy with those you love in this versatile, durable Forester. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: H4 engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, internet radio, selective service internet access, and streaming audio. Motor Trend is happy to report that the Forester is still just as capable as it's always been. While the car is slightly larger, weight was kept in check. It's about 40 pounds heavier, and you still have 8.7 inches of ground clearance, more than all the Forester's direct competition, and really pretty good for any modern production SUV. Live the life you love and love your Subaru. Take it for a test drive today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.